Hey everyone, I'm Mark Lugo, and if you've ever dreamed of turning your passion for design into a career, you're in the right place. On this channel, I'll show you how to master architectural and vehicle modeling from scratch, taking you from beginner to pro level. Imagine creating stunning 3D models that could land you freelance gigs or even your dream job. Ready to level up your skills and unlock new opportunities? Let's dive in. Hey there, everyone. In this video, we're diving deep into the modeling process for a garage door that's not just functional, but also add a touch of elegance to the overall home design. The inspiration for this door came after exploring tons of designs on Pinterest, where I found some amazing ideas that blended aesthetics and practicality. What's really cool is that this door isn't just a standalone element. It ties directly into the style of the other doors in the house, creating a visual harmony that strengthens the architectural identity of the project. After finalizing the garage door, I kept digging into Pinterest, this time focusing on ceiling lights that could complement the space. I decided to incorporate a false ceiling in the dining area, featuring a light fixture that doesn't just provide illumination, but also serves as a key decorative piece. This wasn't a random choice. Its design enhances the cozy atmosphere we're going for in the dining room, while keeping everything consistent with the rest of the home's details. To make the space even richer, I added some wall elements that directly connect with the living room style, creating a cohesive thread that ties all the areas together. And here's a modeling hack that'll save you tons of time. I designed an elongated rectangular ceiling light and reuse it as an instance in multiple spots on the ground floor. This not only speeds up workflow, but also ensures design consistency. But we're not stopping here. In the next video, we'll tackle the main staircase and a statement pendant light. That'll be the centerpiece of the social area. If you're enjoying this kind of content, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss the next steps in this project. Every detail matters, and together, we're going to create something truly spectacular. What do you think of the progress so far? Is there anything specific you'd like me to dive deeper into? Drop your comments and suggestions below. Your feedback is what helps me improve.